Hey, it's me again. In this lesson, we'll be looking for an outfit suitable for our character. Let's see how. Let's go back again to Pinterest because there we'll find many options and possibilities. Create a new board and save there your favorite outfits to create your character's clothes later on. My advice is that you choose outfits that either men and women can wear. This way, it will be easier for you than looking for skirts or specific pieces of clothing. Actually, you can choose the outfit you like the most. Adapting it may be a little bit more complex, especially if the girl is wearing a dress and then you want to transform it into a pair of trousers for the guy. You'll also have to change the color. For this reason, I find it easier to look for neutral outfits, androgynous-like ones. With androgynous, I mean unisex items of clothing for both men and women. For example, this one on the screen, the guy is shirtless, but I like the outfit, so perhaps I could add a top for the girl or something like that. Guys, let me tell you what I'm doing. When I find something that I like, I save it and then scroll down to see related content. This way, I select my favorite looks. I must confess that I'm selecting the outfit and the go depending on what I find. So the process is as follows. I see some references that I like and used them as an inspiration for my characters, not the other way around. In your case, you may have chosen the clothes beforehand, but it's also possible to change your mind after looking for some references. The creative process can be developed in different ways. You choose the one you prefer. Guys, I've summed up the searching process so you don't get bored. It's a long process and may take a long of time. What I'm going to do now is directly jump to the selection stage. I'm going to select my favorite outfits from the board. Select the board with the outfits directly from your profile. I think I've got the one. There it goes. I believe it's suitable for both male and female characters. Great. So after selecting the outfit of the character, let's start drawing. This time, let's begin with a male character. So in the next video, we'll be developing the sketch using as a reference the pose and the outfit. See you in a flash!